Good morning, everyone. I'm Tomislav Golubovic, a Senior Technical Specialist here at Autodesk Australia and New Zealand. And what we're going to look at today is just a feature inside Advanced Steel that's come up a couple times on the forums lately. And it relates to the work planes within Advanced Steel and how items are connected to these work planes. And what happens when you move a work plane, what will happen with everything else. So if you open up Advanced Steel, and I'm in 2016 here, we go to the Project Explorer, we can see all of our views and queries and groups for the structures. If I click on the work planes, and you'll see it switches over to work planes, and what I'm going to do is make a work plane in a horizontal and a vertical as well. So I'm going to create a work plane at the current UCS at 0, 0 and call it 0. And then I'm going to rotate my UCS, and I'm going to create a work plane again at the current UCS and call it wall 1. Okay, so two different work planes, two different UCSs. Go back to my normal. So I'm just going to lock in my work plane, and then let's draw something at 0, 0. Let's do it 5 meters long. And positioning top center. You can see if I switch to my side view that we've got that beam that I've placed top center in relation to that work plane. So what we do now is we right click on the work plane here, we attach elements. So I'm going to pick the member or the object, pick this first geometry point, and then pick the second one. Okay, so now if I move this down, you can see that the work plane has moved and the item has moved. Okay, so if we do the same with the wall, if I put a column in at 0, 0, and let's make it top center as well. And you can see that there it is, it's aligned with that face of that wall. So again, right click on it. Before you do anything, have a look at the properties of it and call it a facade. Then you right click on it, you attach elements. So I want to attach this column and the geometry point there and that geometry point. So now again, if I move that, then you see the member moves with it. Okay, so there it is. That's how you can use work planes in horizontal and the vertical. Just if you're going to do it in the vertical, make sure that you call it up as a facade and not a level. Thank you.